Hey Georgia, so when you go to UNE's website, you're going to want to go to Students, and then you're going to want to go to Library Services. Once you get onto Library Services, I always go to the subject guide, which is Education. Once you click on Education, ERIC ProQuest is where you will find articles. Just so you know, I'm actually doing this from work, so I'm automatically hooked in, but you might have to put your ID number in before they get to this page, just so they can prove that you're a student. So there might be one extra step. So let's say that you are looking for children's literature. Let's try that. And immigrant students or something like that. So you're going to put in what you're looking for and hit search. Now, if you want to even make that more specific, maybe you wanted to say immigrants and modify search. Add a row. Let's do and elementary classrooms or something like that. Let's try that. And it gives you 21 results. So you're going to want to kind of look through. If you see one of these results that you're like, yeah, that could look interesting to me, like immigrants as portrayed in children's picture books, that could be interesting, you're going to click on it. Now the cool thing is you can get the download the full text here so you can read the article. Also, on this side here, the right-hand side, it's going to say, well, if this is what you're looking for, here are some other articles that may also be what you're looking for. May or may not be, but this is kind of a good way of saying, you know, it's like if you like this, then you might like something else. So that is helpful. Or you might say, you know what, none of this is what I'm looking for. Let me go back and let's look for something else. Or maybe what your search is, let's modify the search. Maybe we want children's literature, maybe we want multicultural children's literature. Let's see what we get for that. So just play around with the search. You only need 3 resources. They could be articles or they could be kind of websites or a combination of both. And that should at least get you started. So I hope that helps.